Fireflies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the Technam 2010. Let's do our control surface test. Right, left, up, down, right, left,
landing flaps,
and
takeoff
flaps. All right. Let's get turned around here. The field is very, very wet. I've flown this plane very recently, so I'm not going to do a range test.
flaps up,
I'm running an HRB 3300 3S center. All right. Good looking bird, that's for sure. Gonna have to have flaps because there's nothing to slow the bird down. When you're dead calm, that's when you're gonna want flaps. Whoa, not enough speed there. All right. Not enough speed.
flaps up. Time remaining 6 minutes.
Well, this cloudy, overcast day, it makes it very easy to see the lights on there. Navigation light, the green on the left wing and red on the right if you're looking from the pilot standpoint. Obviously opposite if you're not. Guy coming by with very little motor there. A little bit of throttle, not much. She'll fly nice and slow for you.
Landing flaps.
All right, let's get her turned around here. Using my rudder, trying to keep it as flat as possible.
Time 5 minutes. Flaps up.
All right. Using just a touch of rudder in my turn there. Let's make a nice fast low pass here. Yeah. She'll fly inverted for you. I always fly inverted. If I'm going to fly inverted, do it up high.
Landing flaps.
Of course, this plane will fly. It's really meant to fly scale. She's a trainer. She's meant to fly scale. So that's the way you really should fly her, I guess. People don't realize it, but in all actuality, you think you land with your elevator, but you actually don't. You land with your throttle. People don't realize that. You actually land with your throttle. It's a good looking bird though. That is for certain. Good looking bird.
Landing flaps.
All right. This time we're going to land.
3 minutes.
I know I'm talking about how I don't have any wind, but I'm going to land. Let's say your flaps aren't working. You don't have any choice. So you want to bleed off as much speed as possible. Well, came in two, should have hit the runway a little bit earlier on. Let's try that again. There we go. Perfect. Does okay on a little bit of grass. This grass is recently cut, so. Nice scale takeoff there.
Takeoff flaps.
This time we're going to land with takeoff flaps. Much better. Much better. You can see the difference there. And we're going to take off with takeoff flaps.
Landing flaps.
This time we're going to make the landing with landing flaps this time. You can see what a difference that makes. Such a difference in landing flaps. All right, folks, there you go. That is the Technam. Well, you know what? I gotta do it one more time. You know I do. You know I had to. It's like, you know I had to. No flaps. I'm gonna go on the grass. Oh, I'm in a rut. I'm in a rut, man. But that's gonna happen. Grass is pretty thick. I mean, yes, it's recently cut, but it's still pretty thick. So, yeah. Let's see if we can't. Oh yeah, look at how deep that is. Yeah, that ain't coming out of that. Not without cutting a lot of grass and making some damage. Possibly. Let's take this viewpoint. Let's put on takeoff flaps. And okay. Just takeoff flaps, okay? Walking behind the plane, I want you to pay attention to them flaps, and I'm going to use just a little bit of up elevator. Take her off. So you gotta let them flaps
Time remaining.
do their
1
job.
minute. Landing flaps.
Dead sticking it. Dead sticking it. Yeah, see? Dead sticking.
Flaps up.
Make a bounce. So let's try this again.
Landing flaps.
About quarter throttle now instead. See? Gives you a whole lot more authority. And because your throttle is really what makes you land, not your elevator. All right, folks, so there you go. That is the Arrows Technam 2010. That was a 7-minute flight minus 17 seconds. So what's that? 6 minutes and 83 seconds? Or 6 minutes and 43 seconds? Well, there you go, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And what do you want to do before you touch a plane?
Motor off.
Motor off. Don't touch the plane until the motor's off. Last thing you want to do is have to go to the hospital because you lopped a finger off. Thank you so much for watching, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Hey, you know what? Wait, hold on. Before you go, that was almost a 7-minute flight. Oh, shoot. I don't have my battery checker. Let's just rush right back. Left my battery checker. Just bear with me. But like I said, that was almost a 7-minute flight. Okay? So let's go back. Shoot. And let's take a look and see how much. Oh, one mod I did is I put some rare earth magnets in there because I didn't like the way the latch attached. To me, it wasn't quite tight enough. I'm sure it'd been okay, but I am just kind of anal about things like that. So let's take a look. 53% left on a near, but let's just go ahead and say, you know, 7-minute flight minus 17 seconds. So hey, can't beat that. Folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.